Okay, so we're going to go through example 5 from our integrating trig integrals with secant and tangent to powers. So we have secant to the fourth and tangent to the third of 3x. And so in our guidelines, if you refer back to our guidelines that we went over the other day, or the other video, we have secant is to an even power. So we're going to convert to tangents and be keeping in mind that the derivative of tangent is secant squared. So here's how this works. We're going to split up our secant. So it's secant squared of 3x times secant squared of 3x, and then we have tangent cubed 3x dx. All right, and then we can convert to tangents. So if we convert this secant using the Pythagorean identity, is 1 plus tangent squared 3x. And then I'm going to do a little rearranging over on this side. I'm going to put the tangent cubed 3x first, and then secant squared 3x on the end. All right, so what did I do that for? Well, you'll see if we distribute our tangent through, we end up with tangent cubed multiplying by a 1 of 3x, and then plus, add your exponents and you get tangent to the fifth of 3x. All of that times secant squared 3x dx. All right, now we can use u substitution to evaluate our integral. If you let u, what's happened there? If you let u equal tangent of 3x, then du will be secant squared 3x times the derivative of the inside, so times 3 dx. All right, so I almost have my du right here. I need a 3 in the front, which means I need a 1/3 out there, and excuse me. So now I can rewrite this as 1/3, and I have u cubed plus u to the fifth, and all of that over there is my du. So just made this relatively easy to integrate. I have the 1/3 u to the fourth times 1/4 plus u adding 1 to the exponent, u to the sixth over 6, and there's no limits of integration, so we're going to go plus c, and then let's simplify this and sub back in our u, which is tangent. So I have 1/12 tangent to the fourth of 3x plus 1/6 tangent to the sixth 3x plus c. And we are, just a second, I made a mistake. We need to distribute the 1/3 here to the sixth. So this becomes, instead of over 6, it becomes over 18. All right, that is that.